Good afternoon, David Van Verst, Phoenix Real Estate Solutions. Today we're going to talk about why is it important to get a sewer scope scan when you're looking to buy that new house, or if you've been in a house for more than 7, 8, 10 years. So if your house has a clean out such as this, we can pop the top off, might be in your basement as well. We can do a sewer scan, drop it in all the way to the street lines or to the septic, whatever you have, find out what's going on, just like this. So if you're hoping your pipes look like this, but they end up looking like this, full of water, what that water in the pipe is telling us is either A, got a clogged line right before the septic, or B, the septic was never drained or pumped out like the homeowner that's selling the house told us. They would have never known without that sewer scope scan. All you got to do is ask for that add-on service. When we do your home inspection, be more than happy to make sure that does not become a problem for you in the house you're looking to buy. Dave Van Verst, Phoenix Real Estate Solutions. I'm out.